Now my next one is the wee story about the new teacher. You know, you get these fancy wee teachers coming along and sort of trying to take an end of them as they take an end of us. The chorus is there in the back as usual. It's the last chorus. Sing?
Sing one, my hand to Stanley Granny.
No.
I was keeping the best to the last.
Sorry.
Right, the best to the last. Right. This is the now, is the dove a doo-dah? Is a doo-a-dove? Is a cow a coo-dah? A sparrow just a speug? And is a wall a wall-a-dah? Is a dove a dove? She's only boxed my ears down instead of skelp my luck. Now her teacher's awfully posh da, she changes all her names. Her shuggy is now Hugh, and Jimmy's always Jim's. I'm puzzled with it all da. And when she schuils once, and I must be gleekit no to ken that feather friends are birds. She knows a dove a doo-dah, is a doo-a-dove, is a cow a coo-dah, a sparrow just a speug, and is a wall a wall-dah, is a dove-a-dove. She's going to box my ears down instead of skelp my luck. Well, you've taught me all wrong, da. You call a ball. Your wife is new my mother, da. You said she was my mom. It fairly makes me scunner, da. I'll never pass my test. I'm no sure what I'm wearing now, a simmet or a vest. Is a doo-a-dove. Is a cow a coo-dah, a sparrow just a speug, and is a wall a wall-dah, is a dove a dove. She's going to box my ears down instead of skelp my luck. Now there's 12 words for everything, all schuils in my head. How can I be well bred when I keep saying breed? Now is a crow a crawda, is a bull a bull. I'm going to try my hardest da. Ah, wow, ah, wow, ah, wow.
Now, is anyone in the groupies in the front row there in the back? I hope it's not going to end up like one of Tom Jones's plans.